My name's James Murray, and I am a patient of Dr. Blanford's. I just wanted to give a little brief description of the TAP device that I recently got. I was diagnosed with sleep apnea, and I had two choices. One was to do a CPAP machine, and the other was a device. So I decided to go with the device because I know I wouldn't wear a CPAP machine. And before getting my TAP device, I used to wake up between 6 and 7 times a night. Now that I have my TAP device, I only wake up maybe once or twice, and it's only been 2 weeks, so I'm sure it's going to get better. I haven't had any jaw soreness or any problems at all. I'm very, very happy with the device and the service that I've gotten here at Dr. Blanford's office. So come on down.